Hello user, today I'm showing you a very interesting app, Voice Assistant Reader. And this app is beneficial for those people who suffer from the pronunciation problems and who don't want to read the books, who just want to listen the text of the books. So before we take an overview of the app, we have to take over some other things you must need for using this app, like TTS engine that is must required to use the basic feature of this app. Like here you can see that eSpeak TTS engine. You can download it from the Google Play Store. It is free, and otherwise by default all the Android phones have the Google TTS engine. So you can check it here, the general management in language and input, and here you can check it the text to speech. And you can see here the Samsung text to speech. Because my phone is a Samsung, so the Samsung has it on TTS engine. You can select it if you are a Samsung user, and it is all by default displaying in your text to speech. And if you are Samsung user, you can use this and select it and download the languages, and download those languages that are shown in the app that will show you in later. And otherwise by default all the phones have the Google TTS engine. You can select it and download it the languages. And if you don't want to use the Google TTS engine because it requires the internet, and if you want to use this languages that the Google TTS engine is provided, otherwise you can download it by eSpeak TTS engine from the Google Play Store if you want to use the offline. Okay, so let's start it. Take an overview of app. So go back our app. Here is the Voice Assistant Reader. That's a welcome page, and here you can select it from the to the welcome. And you can see here is the tools method. You have already granted all the permissions. So if whenever you download this app from the Google Play Store, it just asks you for the permissions. You must allow the permissions to use all of the feature. So as the name implies, its name is a Voice Assistant Reader, as it's shown. Here's the toolbar. So you can use this microphone to give the commands. Another one, you can use this dryer. Here is show the basic feature of this app, like it can read from the PDF files, it can read from the text files, it provides the OCR that is used to recognize the object from the recognize the text from object. Another one is a translator that will explain you later. So I will explain all of these features one by one. So first of all, I have to show you that how it is work on voice commands. So let's start it. PDF file. So here you can see that it will browse all of the PDF file which is listed in your device. You must be sure that all of those PDF files that you want that the voice can read, so you must place all of the PDF files in the download folder. Otherwise it shows the message that please place the files in download folder. So here you can see that all of the PDF files are shown here, and other commands that you can use it, like text file, and it also browses all of the text file. And remember, you must be placed those files in your download folder. So get back to the PDF file and look overview of the feature of the PDF file. PDF file. So first of all, I have looked at the first book, that's a test algorithm, and you can zoom it and it's have a complete book. And you can use the dryer method. Here you can use, if you don't want to give the voice command, so you can use this method. Whenever I click on English, it will start reading the whole page. But if you use the voice commands, it's have the basic feature, like you can read it from the start, from bottom and from middle. Let's take overview. So read in English.
Yes, user, this page have 80 number of lines. If you want to read the complete page, give me command read complete page, and if you want to read according to your desire, give command read from start of page in English, or read from middle of page in English, or read from bottom of page in English.
Read from start in English.
The DA algorithm illustrated by J. Orlin Grab. The DA data encryption standard algorithm is the most widely used encryption algorithm in the world. For many years and among many people, secret code, making and data have been synonymous.
And you can also stop this reading by using stop reading. So let's use another book like Hindi Success Story. It can also support the Hindi. So this one book you can use it. You can open it and you can download it. Which whenever you want to read any of the book, there you want to read it manually and you just want that this voice can read it, so you can use this app, and it is basically a beneficial for those people who want to do this. So you can use this method like Hindi
Success Stories www.motivationalstoriesinhindi.in एक इंजीनियर की जॉब छोड़कर भी आई थी कपिल, आज 60 करोड़ का है टर्नओवर। यह कहानी बायोटेक न
okay, and all of those files you can use a voice command. You can use this method, you can use the drawer, and if you want to make notes of any current page of a book, so you don't need to be worried about that. You just have to open up a file and you can make the notes of the file. Like you can give the voice command like copy that, and you can use this method. Otherwise, if you want to give the command like copy that, so you can speak, just have to press this button, copy that.
The text is copied.
So you can see that it is automatically copy the text when you use the voice command. And you just, if you want to save this file, you just have to press the button and give the name of file. It is create the text files, and if you in future if you want to read this only one page of file, so you can use this method to make a notes of the PDF file, because you know that the PDF files have 100 and thousands of pages, and you don't want to always find out that pages, and you just require a one page, and in future you just want to read it. It is helpful during your exam preparation. So you just have to give the name of this file like J.
The file is saved in your text files list.
So you can see that the Toastmatch showing that it is automatically save your file in a text files, and you in future you can read it. So let's look another important features of this. Another features of the text file. Text files have a similar features that are shown in your PDF files. So other one features is a translators. I can open it by using a voice command like translator. So you just have to type any word in English, and it will automatically translate in different languages. So here we go. So you can see here it will translate in a different languages, and you can touch any languages. It will pronounce that word, that how hello is pronounced as Chinese, how hello is pronounced as Danish, Dutch, French, etc. So let's start.
Chinese way, Danish hi, Italian ciao, Portuguese olá, Spanish hola.
Okay, and if you just want to give the voice letters in English, like if you want to give the phrase just by speaking, so you can use this button to give that phrase and want to translate in a different languages. Let's start it. I love driving. So you can see that, and it will automatically translate it in the different languages, and you can touch it and see that how I love driving is pronounced as Chinese.
Chinese 我爱情驾驶 Dutch ik liefde rijden.
So let's get back to the main page, and another fun remaining feature is the OCR. And OCR, as you know, that is used to recognize the text from object and read it. So let's start it.
Hello.
You can see here it will automatically read it.